Hi, Namaste. GLOLED has a surface mount lights. Why we need a surface mount light when you have a slim panel, when you have a surface lights? Why we use a surface cylinder light? Suppose if you have a one big height elevation which has a portico, which has a balcony. Generally, if you are using these surface lights, the light will not come down. So because of the height, the light will 90% go top only. So it need to get down to object to focus the object very clearly. For that, we have a surface cylinder light. This is a surface cylinder light. It has a black reflector and it has three colors also. It has warm white, cool white, natural white. Generally, for outdoor, we use a warm white. Suppose it has a clean focus or it need to be security purposes, then we go for the white light. Suppose we have a arch, big arch for the your entrance. That time we use the 30 to 50 watt. We use this one for the prism wall. We use it for the APR projects. We use it for the so many hundreds of projects for these lights. So the advantage of this light, it will focus at the down, and it has so many reflectors also models. You see, this is the black color black reflector, and this is the white color black reflector, and this is the black color copper reflector. This is the black color gold reflector, and we have this is very excellent one. We have this is the black color silver reflector. The silver reflector gives a more light and more accurate one, and these are different model, and this is the wood body and wood reflector. So we have so many models here. So coming to here, suppose if I have some 90 degrees, I need to keep the surface track, not required here. So you can move this one in 360 degrees, and it is also as an angle. In normal times, you can use this one as a 90 degrees like this. So you can move this one simply like this. Wherever direction you want, you can keep this one very more attractive, this one. And in this we have you can keep that one. So you can get the RGB also. You can get the RGB lights also. So suppose you have function hall. In the function hall, you can keep the total your function hall with RGB lights. So it costs more. Suppose if you are using a surface mount, if you are using a RGB light, it costs very less. So now this is another model. We have this we can keep like this. This is 360 degrees. We can move simply like this. Wherever you want, you can use like a surface track mode. So coming to why we need to use the GLOLED light. GLOLED has quality of the lights. Suppose if you assume this one, we use the only aluminum material and we use the quality reflector. Here you can see the reflector quality. And coming to CO base, we use the high-end CO base. It gives the more illumination, more than the 20 lumens. The third part, we use the driver which has a 440 volts protection. And every driver has a 2.5 kV surge protection. And coming to the GLOLED has both indoor and outdoor light. So outdoor lights come with a IP65, indoor light come with IP33. If you are compared to price is very less as compared to the market. And coming to this is given to the one company, Puja Craft, almost they use the 2400 lights. So they get the more illumination and more light. So we have also 3-in-1 lights. In this we have also 3-in-1 light. So not only this one, in the cylinder light we also have the hanging one. So these lights come with only 700 to 800 rupees. 700 to 800 rupees. And it has also long length. Now it has you can see, it has a long length. So we can keep these lights in the group of the lights, and we can also keep the square lights and also round light. So we have different lights in the hanging also. So coming to here, I'll show the lux level here. So now you can see it is almost 1400 lux is here. 1200 lux, maximum 1464 is here. Now I'm showing the same here. Here it has a big light. The light wattage of this one is 60 to 60, 120 watt. That wattage is only 18 watt. Suppose if height is more, this is not suitable. When the height is less, it is more suitable. And coming to here, so if you are sitting here, there is no glare also. So if it is long length, it is glare also. Suppose if you are coming here, then the glare will be more. So coming to here, if you come to near also, there is no glare. So basic difference of the surface mount and other light is, surface mount lights are very useful for the higher heights, and normal remaining lights are very useful for the parking and other areas. Come to the glow LED for better lighting solutions. Before closing this, you need to check 3 points. One is, do you have a high voltage spike protection in your home or office or industry? The second, are you saving energy with sensors? The third one, do you have a phase safety measurement in your home? Come to the glow LED to know all these things. Thank you very much.